anybody's interested. So it's like flying in San Juan. It's 7 a.m. in the morning on a Sunday. Questionable legality. I don't see any signs, but we're gonna do it. And I'm gonna be right here. Get set up. So we got a couple of good shots. Okay, so we're on the move. We're kind of on a tight schedule, and I want to get as many shots, as many places as possible. And now we're going to be checking out a new spot. Now this is being recorded on the Osmo again, as you can see, walking upstairs. And I got a mic. It's not a Rode. I mean, I wasn't willing to spend 80 bucks on it yet. I'm not at that point. Okay, so I chose the spot to settle down. I'm gonna get set up real quick. Alright, so we're moving. Yeah, this is San Juan. Very nice. I'm not a tourist, I'm a local, you know, but you get to enjoy it a lot every time you come. Okay guys, so I'm back home now. I had a quick shower because the heat from today was unbearable. I just wanted to finish off with thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you would please. So I'll try to keep the content coming as fast as possible, but I work a lot, and traveling around and recording footage plus editing, which I'm doing right now, takes a while, and I don't really have time for it. But it'll motivate me to see people are interested in what I do, and I don't know, enjoy it. Alright, so if you have any questions, remember to drop them down, and thank you for watching. I'm gonna get to finishing this so I can upload and you guys can enjoy it.